This is the Cartwheel Galaxy, and it is the latest picture taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. A galaxy like this is a very rare sight and can provide us insights into some of the most fundamental cosmic events, such as how star formation starts and what happens when two galaxies collide. The Cartwheel Galaxy is located about 500 million light years from Earth, and its appearance it has to thank to a very intense event, a high-speed collision of one large and one smaller galaxy. Collisions of such epic proportions cause a cascade of effects. Most obviously, the collision completely altered the galaxy's shape and structure. We see two rings, a bright core and a colorful outer ring. The core contains insane amounts of hot dust, being home to massive young star clusters, set on by the push of the collision. Now, many galaxies have vast reserves of molecular clouds, mostly consisting of hydrogen, and these clouds are often in a delicate balance between the force of gravity and the outward radiation pressure. But when an external event gives it a push, such as a collision, the clouds will collapse and start forming stars. And this is precisely what happened in the core of the Cartwheel Galaxy. The outer ring itself is dominated by star formation and supernovas. As the ring keeps expanding, it will come across molecular clouds and also trigger star formation there. The Cartwheel Galaxy has been studied before, for example by Hubble in 2018. But much of the mystery of the galaxy remained shrouded in dust. Literally. In the 500 million light years between the Earth and the Cartwheel Galaxy, there is a lot of dust. Therefore, it is extremely hard to actually see the galaxy, since dust is almost opaque to visible light. And this is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. With its infrared cameras, it can peek through these clouds of dust and reveal the Cartwheel Galaxy in all of its glory. From the data we gathered, we now know that the galaxy is rich in hydrocarbons and silicate dust, similar to Earth. Further studies of the galaxy can provide us insights into its past, its future, and fundamentally our understanding of the universe. And if you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.